Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the Phil Studio. Today is a great day because I have on my bench currently a Fireface 800 sound card which need a serious repair. Um, we'll take a look at it and see what we can do. Enjoy. So from what I could read, the problem is mainly with the power supply because the unit can power up, but some LED will flash, which means there is an error. And then after some time, I think we can hear a loud buzz noise. I think this could be DC leaking to the output. And also the customer said it was getting really hot. So I'm sure this is something in the power supply area. I'm not going to show you how to open it because it was really straightforward. 3 screws here, 2 screws on the side, on each side, and then you open it. But be careful because you have a little ground connector here. So you just unplug it. And what do we have here? A power supply. This is the power supply section. So we're going to focus on this part here. These caps looks all right. This one also as well. They don't look. Oh, yeah. Okay. These two capacitors are suspicious for because they are a little bumped up on the top, so they are not good for sure, and they're gonna need to be replaced. And I'm 99% sure this is gonna solve the problem. So I can see it's 2.2 thousand microfarad, something like 6 volt, 16 volt. Okay, so I'm gonna have to remove these 4 screws to remove the board and see what we can do. So is the board removable? Sure, that's it. So the soldering looks good. Pretty neat actually, pretty clean. I'm gonna check the value of these capacitor. Okay, it was a little bumped on the side. No, just on the top. Okay, I'm going to remove both capacitor and see what we can do with this. I hope I have a replacement, but the size looks pretty odd. I have some 2000 microfarad capacitor, but they are not the same size at all. I'm not sure it's gonna fit. Well, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna fit, and these are not the right size. Yeah, so I'm gonna need to buy some because I don't want to replace with another value. It could work, but well, would not be the best. So I'm gonna use the same value, and really important, get the same size. Both leg with the solder. You just pull it out like that. So it's 2.2 thousand microfarad, 16 volt. The size is pretty weird. It's so small. Damn. This is annoying me because I don't have the right size. Pair of plier here. Grab the capacitor here. Oops, I was working on the wrong one. Sorry about that. 8-bolt pad. And when it's ready, you're gonna feel it coming out. Don't apply force in there. Need okay, so another 2.2 thousand 16 volt. Their size are pretty weird. So this, guys, this is really bad because I just realized that I never completed this video. Actually, I did the repair and I swapped those two 2200 microfarad capacitor, and the customer was really happy with the result because now it's working, but I just never like recorded the ending. I just wanted to tell you that this repair was successful, and yeah, indeed, like these two capacitor on the side of the power supply were just bulky, and like it was visibly like it was so apparent that even a beginner could have troubleshoot that. But if you're new to electronic, that's a really good sign of a defective power supply, is when the capacitor get bulky on the top. So I hope you enjoyed that repair, and see you soon for more video of the Phil Studio.
Son, how do you push stop on that?